Hello and welcome back to ELD Devices, your trusted source for trucking tips and insights. I'm Bobby Aield, and today we're addressing a common challenge for truckers: how to get a good night's sleep while on the road. We all know long hours behind the wheel can take a toll, and without proper rest, it becomes harder to stay alert, safe, and healthy. But with a few adjustments, you can transform your truck cab into a cozy space for restful nights. Let's talk about what really works. First, let's start with the basics: your bed. The standard sleeper cab mattress might do the job, but upgrading to a high-density foam or gel pad can make a world of difference. These options help reduce pressure points and give you the kind of comfort that makes falling asleep easier, even after a tough day on the road. Think of it as an investment in your health and energy for the next day. Now, what about the temperature? Studies show that cooler environments are better for sleep, with the sweet spot being somewhere around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. If your truck doesn't have climate control, you might consider portable options like a fan, a heater, or even an auxiliary power unit. These can help keep your cab comfortable without idling your truck overnight. Noise is another big hurdle for many truckers. Between passing traffic, other trucks, and noises at rest areas, it can be tough to relax. A simple solution is using earplugs or a white noise app on your phone. Many drivers swear by these to drown out distractions. And if you're sensitive to noise, sleep headphones with relaxing sounds can be a game changer. Speaking of distractions, let's talk about light. External light can mess with your sleep cycle, so it's worth investing in blackout curtains for your windows. They're inexpensive and incredibly effective. Pair that with an eye mask for full coverage, and you'll create a dark, sleep-friendly environment no matter where you're parked. Getting into a sleep routine can also help. Even if your schedule changes, try to wind down in the same way every night. Some drivers find that reading, listening to calming music, or meditating helps them transition from a busy day to a restful night. And as tempting as it is to scroll through your phone, avoiding screens at least an hour before bed can improve your sleep quality. Now, safety is something we can't overlook. Feeling secure while you sleep is just as important as physical comfort. Always park in well-lit areas and lock your doors. Choose reputable truck stops or rest areas when you can, as they often provide added security and peace of mind. Here's a tip for the morning: start your day with light stretches to ease any stiffness from sleeping in a confined space. This not only helps you feel refreshed, but also prepares your body for the hours ahead. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals also play a huge role in supporting your overall sleep and energy levels. Getting quality sleep on the road doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making small, thoughtful changes that add up to a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trucking tips and insights. Until next time, drive safe and sleep well.